How to fix ERR GFX STATE game error. Please reboot and restart the game. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the GFX STATE error in your GTA 5. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there are two main fixes for this. The first one is first ending all the background tasks. For that, open up your task manager. You can open up your task manager by pressing on your taskbar. Just right click on the taskbar and choose task manager, or you can simply search for it as well. After that, simply search for your GTA 5 and all the other applications or services related to it, and then right click on it and then tap on end task. Now do that for all the other options as well. And after you do that, after you've simply closed all the background processes, what you can do is you can head back down and open up your run. So for that, press Windows plus R key and your run should open up. Now on your run, what you'll need to type is percentage local app data percentage. This is the one right here. After you hit enter, you should be on this folder. Simply press on app data here and then head over to local low. This folder right here. Head over here and there you'll find your AMD or any other GPU. So head over there and there you will see DX cache. All you have to do is you'll have to delete this folder if you have anything in this folder that is your cache. So press on delete and delete the folder entirely. And after you do that, you can then restart your computer and then restart the game. After that, your problem should get fixed, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.